We do our investment tip of the week every week. If you don't get it on our webinars, you get it on our YouTube channel, which is Crew TV. You can find that very easily on our website. But Tim, this week's investment tip of the week is what is the easiest way to do the BRRRR strategy? And we wanted to really get this out to you guys because not everybody's a renovator. So we've got a couple of ways you can do it.
Yeah, and what we found is if you're thinking of the BRRRR strategy, the best way to get into it is actually to narrow down on a specific community or a specific building if you're doing condos.
Yeah, and when you do that, what you want to do is get an undervalued property. That is key to doing the BRRRR strategy without actually lifting a hammer. And what we mean by that is you can simply buy undervalued properties either in an apartment building, we just did one, which we're going to go over today in our presentation, or you can get into an area where there's a massive spread. And Tim, what do we mean by spread?
Well, what we mean by spread is before repair value and after repair value. So for instance, if you were to go into a condo building and you're seeing renovated condos in the 250 range, but unrenovated condos in the 180 range, that means you have a $70,000 spread between renovated and unrenovated. That's the type of building you want to get into.
Yeah, and the reason why you want to do it, I mean, we were doing lots of condos in the early 2007, 2008. And the reason why we're doing them, the renovated condos, yes, they may have upgraded appliances, new flooring, but we were simply going in and our clients were painting, doing baseboards. They were doing some flooring as well. But the appraisers weren't necessarily coming out to see the units. What they were doing is desktop appraisals, where they would take the fully renovated condos and the unrenovated condos, and then they would see the difference and they would appraise the condos $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 more. So that is the easiest way to do the BRRRR strategy without the renovation piece to it, or having very limited renovations to do, Tim.
Yeah, so that's our real estate tip of the week. The easiest way to do a BRRRR.